Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GE, General Electric. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Quickly, what do I mean by 30-minute? I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today with earnings, and then, of course, with earnings, absolutely gigantic volume here, and a lot of eyeballs on it with the big gap up, and, the market liked what the company had to say. So from a technical point of view, want to get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. First level of support, and this is one where by no means am I trying to come across like this is some sort of like great discovery on my part, but right here around $9.75. And I bring that up because I assure you people that use charts and understands charts have taken notice of that level. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people have noticed the same thing and they're going to be wondering the same ideas, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can produce some very dynamic price movements, and that's what we have here with 975 going forward. If you look at the history of the chart, you can see this has now created a pretty big space between areas of support, where if 975 was violated, then while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then potentially drift down to $9.50, which was the previous resistance point. And this is just all based off of the foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken. So again, right here defined as resistance was broken with the gap up. You want to see them act as support. So again, a lot of people are going to be watching that 975 mark, shorts included, wondering, if the price can get a high volume break of there, then there definitely could be a trade down to the 950 mark, if not even lower than that. So watch those couple of areas from a support side going forward. What about areas of resistance? So if this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these key battlegrounds at? Nothing fancy or complicated here, but the main point of resistance, I'm going to call right there around $10.25. Yeah, I get it. The price did actually go up above that area, but that was just one data point. If you look closely, there's just more data points right around that 10.25 mark. So in my mind, that's more the accurate level of resistance going forward. So keep an eye on that. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very nice movement today, and then very nice movement the last 30 minutes. You can see the volume kicked in a high gear there, and then got the nice green candle there. So, is that the start of something bigger? We'll see what happens, but a very straightforward way to gauge the health or lack thereof of this late day movement is, all right, well, let's see how the price reacts if it can get up to 1025. I mean, if it gets smacked right back down, well, then it's looking like that last 30 minutes didn't really have any sort of true power. But I mean, if it can get up there and it's just, like a warm knife through butter, well, then at that point of view, you got to think that the price has got some more continuation left in it. So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, overall, definitely a great day. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.